I ran for city council 3 times for the city of Linwood. I became involved in the city because my sons were growing up. The city was dangerous. I know for a fact Nicole was undermining my campaign. I believe that Nicole was passing on my strategy, everything I was doing, to my opponents. Ultimately, I lost the election. I partly blame Nicole for that loss. Nicole, or this girl, whoever she is, she comes from somewhat of a political background. Her brother Jason was a city councilman in Oakland, and her sister ran for mayor, but she lost in 2010. I found out that Nicole's younger brother had been shot in the head, mafia style. Her other brother, Jason, who was a city council person in Oakland, was found dead in his apartment, foaming from the mouth.
I mean, she keeps talking about he was killed. Why are you saying he was killed when all we know is that he died? But when she says stuff like that, it shows that she has complete lack of compassion, which then makes me believe she's just evil.
I want you, without rambling to 100 different things, tell me the basis for you saying that the mother of your grandchildren, the wife of your son, your daughter-in-law, was in collusion with your political adversaries to murder your son. That is a very serious allegation.
The people that was responsible for my son's death, she was involved with those people. Yes, I said that, and I stand by that.
Okay, well, first off, before
And let me tell you,
what do you say about that, Nicole?
No, I didn't have anything to do with
You're not involved in the murder of
No.
your brother-in-law?
No, not at all.
So why would your political adversaries want to murder your son?
Well, because when I ran for office, our city, if you looked up the city, they had a lot of corruption. And I had promised my constituents in the city I would never steal money and that I would make a particular entity in the city. We had given them $7 million, I would get it back.
Why?
That's what got my son.
The accident happened after she had lost the election.
So you think she got involved with these people?
I think she was. I think they sent her to us.
Supposedly she's involved because a college professor that she had in 1995 is
a
now
radical Muslim
in cahoots with the people who she's accusing of stealing money, and said, well, she was in our class. Let's see if we can get her, go to Tahoe, go to his cabin and meet him, put something in him to brainwash him.
I love it.
No, let him finish.
My brother passed in a car accident. So supposedly, in my mother's world, these same people paid somebody to cause an accident.
How fast was your brother driving when this accident happened?
I hear
according to the police reports.
I hear that he was speeding. I've never read the police
The
report.
witnesses said he was going at least 90.
I want to take a list of everybody that you have blamed for your son's death. You know, first you said,
can't say names, right?
You said Ty should have taken Michael and Christopher skiing that weekend and should have helped her pick out a car that wasn't so fast. So you blamed Michael's father. You said Michael learned to drive fast from him.
No, this is what they're saying.
Christopher, because he was probably acting crazy in the car while Michael was driving. Did you say Mexicans cut Michael off the road?
A Mexican man whom I investigated, whom has many LLCs, who had a business in Oakland. He ran Michael off the road, and in the police report he said he was a bishop. Not a bishop, used to have a business in Linwood. Yeah, too many connections, too many
Then
connections.
you say people from her campaign upset over things she knew about them.
I don't know about that.
Then you said Nicole, who allegedly leaked confidential campaign information to your political adversaries, who then chased down Michael and caused the accident.
No, I didn't say that. That's their words. That is their words. I told you exactly what I said. But let me go back to
You said, quote, the man in an email to the show. You said, I would like to confront the man that caused the accident that killed my son.
I can't say his name, but I sure would.
And then you actually sent us another email where you said, I made some mistakes that caused my 19-year-old to get killed.
You have a story or a question for me? Click the link in the description and tell me what in the world is going on.